Hello everyone! Today the Omaha Fire Department would like to talk to you about creating a fire-safe home. Today's topic is EDITH, exit drills in the home. We have all done fire drills at school, but most people don't realize how important it is to practice them with your family at home. Every year there are over 3,000 deaths and over 30,000 injuries from home fires in the U.S. Here's how you can practice a fire exit drill to keep your family safe. First, sit down with your kids and draw a home fire escape plan. You can download and print this one at nfpa.org. Then, after drawing your plan, practice it. Have your child go to their bedroom and close the door. Press the test button on your smoke alarm. Have your child practice crawling to the door when the alarm goes off. When they get to the door, practice how to feel the door with the back of their hand to see if it is hot. Explain that if it's hot, there's fire behind the door, and they should go to the window in their room instead. Practice opening the window and have them wave their arms and yell "help" as loud as they can, so that firefighters can find them in an emergency. Then explain that if the door to their room is not hot, they should stay low and crawl out of the door to the nearest exit. Once outside, go to the meeting place that your family chooses. This could be a tree, a mailbox, or some sort of landmark that everyone can remember that is also a safe distance from your home. Last but not least, explain to call 911 once you have made it to the meeting place. Thank you for joining us today. On behalf of the Omaha Fire Department, we hope that you stay tuned for more safety tips in the future. And remember, OFD cares.